Hello students, this is Virendra, your information technology teacher, and I am here to give you an important lecture on particular topic. So students, as you know that right now lockdown is still going on, and during this lockdown period you are having a lots of time, and I think you're using your time in a precious manner, in an efficient manner. So students, first of all, I welcome you on my YouTube channel. This is Virendra again here, and today we are going to have a lecture on session number 6. The session number 6 is self motivation. And as you know that unit number 2 is still going on, and the unit number 2 is self management skill. Alright, it means that right now in previous sessions, means whatever the sessions you have studied from session 1 to session 5, in all the previous sessions you are just studying that how you are going to manage yourself. Means when you are going for an interview, when you are the part of your society, at that time how you are going to manage this. In the context of the same, today we are having the topic self-motivation. So students, what are you waiting for? Let us start today's session. So students, in today's session, first of all, we should know what the self-motivation is, and before self-motivation, you should know about what is motivation. Right? So first of all, we will just have a little bit introduction about this session, and then we'll proceed further. Right? So our first topic is introduction. And in this introduction, what we are going to study here, what is motivation, what is motivation. So students, as you know that whenever you are having any kind of inspiration, so by using that kind of inspiration you are just going to be motivated, means उत्साह वर्धन करना, उत्साह बढ़ना. Okay, so by using that kind of inspiration you are going to be motivated, and by using that motivation you are having a lots of energy, lots of positiveness, so that you can complete your work within a time or in a quick succession of time. Right? You did not face any kind of difficulty while doing the work. So motivation is a very important thing for you. Likewise, suppose you have set a goal for today's. आज के लिए आपने कोई goal set किया. So students, when you are setting your goal, so before setting the goal, you are doing some kind of plan, means how we are going to achieve that goal. But for doing each and everything, you should have a motivation. The reason is, by having the motivation, you are going to increase your dedication for doing that task. And if you have the dedication, if you doing the all kind of time management, each and everything, then definitely you can do the work in an efficient way. So motivation is nothing but it's a one kind of giving a chance, giving one kind of thing, so that you can increase your ability to do the task. Right? You can say motivation is nothing but that you are getting to inspire from others, and then you are trying to do the particular task. Right? So now students, now it's time to learn what is self-motivation. What is self-motivation? What is self-motivation? So students, self means स्वयं का, means you are not taking help from any other person. You are just going to have a self motivation, means अपने आप ही आप उत्साह अपने बढ़ाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो आप. Okay, it means that it is the one kind of ability to do your task by own way. Okay, you already having increased your positiveness, right? You already have a lots of dedication to do your work. You already have plan. You are already doing some kind of time management, right? You are designing your goal. You are setting your goal. Okay, so it means that self motivation means you are going to increase the, you are going to have a ability to do the particular task in an efficient way. Okay, you are self inspired, right? So students, this is all about your self motivation. But before closing the this topic about self motivation, right now I just want to give you a one inspiration to you. Student, can you tell me, did you hear about the story of hare and tortoise? खरगोश और कछुए की कहानी आपने जरूर सुनी होगी बचपन में. Is it true or not? Can you tell me who is the winner at that time? Who is the winner? Definitely hare, खरगोश. उसमें खरगोश जीता था. Okay. At that time, the tortoise. Sorry, my mistake. At that time, tortoise is the winner. At that time, tortoise is the winner, and the hare is still doing the work. Means खरगोश वो बहुत तेजी से भागा. Okay, and when he ran away, one moment came here that he is get tired, and after getting tired, he is doing some kind of relaxation. But meanwhile, the tortoise going and going in a steady way and reach his target within a time, and he is the tortoise is the winner at that time. Okay, it means that the tortoise is fully dedicated to his task, fully dedicated, right? He never stops at any time. He is doing the work in a constant way, in a consistent way, right? So I think if the tortoise is not self-motivated, then how can I reach the target? Just think about it. How can I reach his target? Is it possible? I think no. It is not possible, right? The tortoise is self-motivated at that time. Tortoise is self-motivated at that time. That's why he is the winner, right? Okay, students. This is all about what is motivation and what is self-motivation. Now we are coming to our next topic, that is types of motivation, right? So in this, it is just an introduction here. Okay, we'll just give a summary here, and then we'll study this in a detailed manner, right? So in types of, let me erase this and then write the topic here. Then we will proceed here. Your topic is types of motivation. Types of motivation. Okay, students. As you know that the definition of motivation is very much clear to you. Definition of self-motivation is also very much clear to you. Now it's time to have the types of motivation. So students, the motivation is of two types. Okay, motivation is of two types. Number one, external. And number two, internal. Number two, internal. Right? So external motivation, and second one is internal motivation. Okay, so right now these two kinds of motivation are there. Okay, so let me have a little bit idea about external motivation and then internal motivation. Okay, let me erase this one and then we'll proceed for external motivation. Okay, so in external motivation, let me give you one example here. Right? I think you are watching the WWF wrestling. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. So at that time, the fighters came in the ring and his only one target to defeat the other person anyhow and win the medal. Am I right or not? His only the target is to defeat the other person at any cost and win the medal. Right? This is the only the having a target, and target is reward. The target is reward. Only the intention behind that person is that he wants a reward. And at that time, the person is externally motivated due to this target. He only reward because he is doing the gym, right? He is eating a lots of food. He is taking lots of energy by having many things. Okay, due to all these things, his body becomes stronger and stronger. Okay, and only the intention is to get a reward, right? So he is externally motivated. Okay, if I give the definition of internal motivation, then what happened here? Let me raise this. Internal motivation. Internal motivation. So for this, I am just giving one example here. Suppose the same person who is already in the ring, okay, of WWF, fighting is going on, about to go, right, and person is standing in a ring. At that time, already if he is externally motivated, then his target is to have the reward, right? But at the same time, one of his friend is doing the same activity, like going to the gym, eating lots of food, right, and working in the morning time. He is having all the work in a scheduled time. Each and everything is going to managed way in an efficient way. But at that time, his target is to have a love. Love means the word saying love in this here is to give a self happiness, right, or to give a fit body, to have a fit body, right, okay, to emotionally attach to the other person, right, to build a healthy relationship with the other person. Okay, this is called internal motivation, right? He's doing the gymnasium, he's doing each and everything, but only the intention is to spread the love, okay, to have a healthy body, to have a healthy relationship, right? So this is all about your internal motivation, right? So in internal motivation, just remember only one thing: love, right? Okay, so let me erase this and just proceeding forward. To have our next topic. Okay, students, one more thing I just want to tell you here. If you have any kind of doubt, please don't hesitate to ask me. Right? Whatever the queries you have, whatever the doubts you have, please ask me at any time. Right? Okay. So our next topic is qualities of self-motivation people. I am talking about qualities of self-motivated people. quality of self-motivated people, right? So, can you tell me any example for that? Means if I am the person, I am self-motivated, to what quality you are observing me? Did I punctual to my work? Am I punctual? I am doing some kind of time management. If I am setting the time for that, I am designing the whole work. I am setting the goal also. Is I am fully dedicated to my work? Tell me, is I fully dedicated to work? Am I right or no? I am able to identify the exact problems. Tell me. I think if you got the answer of these questions, definitely you are able to find out some qualities in me, and that quality is related to self-motivation, right? So students, in this self-motivation, this quality may be you are doing a proper planning, you are highly dedicated to a work, right? You are doing a proper time management, you are setting a goal in a proper way, you are identifying the problems, okay? That be the qualities of highly motivated person, highly self-motivated person, okay? Students, I hope each and everything is clear here. Now we are coming to on my laptop so that you will have an interactive session, right? And you will definitely enjoy it, right? So what are you waiting for? Please come to my laptop. Okay students, now let me recall the definition of self-motivation. Okay, self-motivation is nothing but it's a one kind of our ability. Okay, this is the one kind of ability to do things without someone influence, okay, without any help, right? So this is the our ability to do things without any influencing, right, without any lagging, right? The self motivation always pushes you, the self motivation always pushes you, okay, so that you can achieve your goal in a good way, right? Okay, let me give you one story here right now. One story I will this will give you one kind of also inspiration and motivation to you. Okay, just see the figure 2.15. Neha spent all her after school hours to practice more and more sample question paper. Okay, then after she wants to get at least 97% in all subjects so that she can get admission to her dream college in the city. Okay, this is his ambition, this is his intention, right? Why she is studying a lot. But Rekha get up at 5 a.m., goes for her dance classes, then she come home and finish her homework before going to the school, right? And she does this all by herself. No one tells her to do anything. Okay, she is doing each and every one, okay, by self. Okay, no one has tell her that you have to do this kind of work. Okay, it means that she is highly self motivated to do her work, right? So this is the one kind of recall, so that you can have a little bit detail about this. Let me come to the our concept behind that. What are the qualities of self motivated person, a self motivated people, right? So some qualities are written here. The self motivated person having a good quality, 4 qualities they have. Number 1, they know what they want from life. उसको जीवन से क्या चाहिए वो जानता है वो. She always focused. Focused means he always wants, okay, he always enlighten others and enlighten me also, okay, so that he can do many things. Okay, वो अपने काम के प्रति काफ़ी सजग रहता है, काफ़ी फोकस रहता है, वो अपने काम को अच्छी तरीके करने का प्रयास करता है, राइट? Priority means they always know what the things are important, what things are not important. And one more thing, he has a highly dedicated person. He is doing his work in a full dedication so that he can fulfill their dreams in a quick way. Okay, now the topic arises here, how to build self motivation. How? Okay, so there are only 4 steps. The first step is identify your likes and dislikes. क्या पसंद है क्या नहीं पसंद है उसको आप क्या करिए, आइडेंटिफाई करिए. अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट मेक्स यू हैप्पी. आप अपने लाइक डिसलाइक को पता करिए, किससे आप खुश होते हैं ये पता करिए. ओके, देन सेकेंड स्टेप, डिफाइन द गोल यू वॉन्ट टू अचीव एंड फोकस ऑल द एनर्जी ऑन टू अचीविंग दैट गोल. ठीक है, पहले आप गोल को डिफाइन कर लीजिए आप कि आपको कौन सा गोल अचीव करना है, पूरी ताकत लगा दीजिए उस गोल को अचीव करने के लिए. राइट, देन आफ्टर थर्ड स्टेप, प्लान एंड सेट द टाइमलाइन. Okay, to achieve the goal. Just your list of what are the activities you're going to perform in your future so that you can achieve your goal in an efficient way. Right, so just plan it and set your timelines. Right, so for one example written here, after completing class 12 you can join the hotel management course and then later take additional courses for become a chef. So this is the plan of activities, right? This is the plan of activities he has done. Okay, and set the timeline also. And final step is to build a self motivation. Work toward achieving a goal. Means you have to put your all efforts, all the energy to achieve that goal. A full dedication work, right? Whatever the difficult times are, try to do each and everything in an efficient way. Okay, so this is all the 4 steps of the build a self motivation. Okay, so students, now I'm going to give you some questions here and just go through it, and whatever the answers you have, just give it on the YouTube comment. Right, so let me give you the questions here. It is in MCQ form and I hope this will help you. Okay, so right now this is the questions here. For question number 1, what makes you complete work or studies without others cheering you? What makes you complete your work and studies without others cheering you? Number 1, self-confidence. Number 2, communication. Number 3, self-motivation. Number 4, self-esteem. Right? These are the 4 options. Out of 4, 1 is correct. Question number 2. Which of the following are types of motivation? Can select more than one option. Internal, intermediate, external, both A and C. You know that very well. Question number 3. Ravi worked hard to get the best student award at the end of the year. Right? रवि ने बहुत मेहनत की है, वो एक अच्छा स्टूडेंट है, वो एंड ऑफ द ईयर की अवार्ड चाहता है वो. What type of motivation in this? किस तरह का मोटिवेशन है? Internal, external, both internal, external, or not any specific type of motivation. Okay? कि ये एक्सटर्नल है, इंटरनल है, क्या है आपका, ये आपको सोच के बताना है आपको. राइट, सो जस्ट यूज द YouTube comment. Okay, so keep watching it, and if you have any kind of queries, please ask me. Okay students, I hope you are able to understand each and everything which I am trying to deliver here. Students, I request you that if you have any kind of doubt, please ask me. Don't hesitate. You can communicate with me by using WhatsApp or YouTube comments, and apart from this, you can make me call also. Okay, but only the one thing you have to take care about, that whatever the doubts you have, just give it to me so that I can try to solve as early as possible. Okay, so students, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have really enjoyed to watch this video. Keep watching it, okay, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and like my channel. And also, if you have any kind of feedback, we are eagerly waiting for that. Please give your valuable feedback. One more thing, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and you have to press the bell icon also, so that you can get the notification for my latest videos. So thank you so much for watching me.